Today we're going to install this 6-inch wire wheel on this Bauer bench grinder that I had purchased from Harbor Freight. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is using an 8mm socket and using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to loosen up the bolt here, that one there, and the one right there as well. Alright, once you have the nuts all loose, remove the bolts from there, or the whole plate itself. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the socket to remove this from here. Alright, I'll be using a size 19mm socket to remove this from here. More than likely, I'm going to need both hands, or not. We'll set this over to the side, remove this wheel from here. Alright, I'll take this out from here. Alright, and we'll sit it in here, and it fits in here just perfectly. It is hitting a little bit, but that's alright, as long as we have this protected and this to kind of help us with the wires flying all over the place. We'll put this back into place like so. We'll secure this one down using the same 19mm. Secure that down. I'm going to put this cover back into place to give us a little bit of extra protection. Alright, and there's the shield back into place. We'll secure this down with the 8mm and the Phillips screwdriver. Alright, and I couldn't find anything really dirty, but I have this Phillips screwdriver that is pretty rusted. So we'll turn this on. Oh, it's alright. Whatever. Make sure you wear safety glasses. I feel those things coming out and hitting me. I have a little safety shield. I have glasses on right now, but here are safety glasses. Trying to see if I could wear those little ones that are hitting. Whatever. There it is. You could remove it from here so it's not scratching up the inside. And it's just mainly kind of like right here. Maybe if I remove this from here, might help it, but I kind of like it to be able to hold it there because it cleaned it up pretty good. Yeah, and there, that's how you do that. Just wanted to make a quick video on replacing the grind wheel with this 6-inch wire wheel. They're both from Harbor Freight. I like it. Harbor Freight has pretty cool tools for the price. You can't beat it. And what I love about their tools is that they have lifetime warranty on them. I'm not sure if this has lifetime warranty, but regardless, it's already put in work. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Alright, it is hitting pretty good here. Up to you if you want to remove it from there. I was able to clean all of this here. It's pretty good size with this little gap right here, and it's pretty cool because I mean it does prevent all the metal pieces flying onto you. Look, you can see them here all over the ground. They do hurt. Sometimes they'll get you pretty good in spots you don't want, but overall it did a pretty dang good job in cleaning this up. Now it's ready for a new gasket. Hopefully this is not warped, and we're ready to install this back into place. I don't know. Hopefully it's just a table. We could probably try shaving it off a little bit. I'm not sure, but we could give this a try This one did have an exhaust leak from the rear, but I did notice that the bolts were a little bit loose. That could cause an exhaust leak. So we're just replacing the gasket with a brand new one. And this is a Hemi. Hemis are known to bow or bow like this because it's straight, and they're known to give a nice little bend. But I don't know. Maybe we're good. Maybe the gasket should be cool enough. I don't know. But overall, I like it. Thanks for watching.